I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and account access. Sign into Shopify, make sure your plan and POS or barcode app permissions are enabled, and then power the scanner. Once the scanner is on, put it into pairing mode and connect via Bluetooth or USB depending on your model. You want the device to appear in your computer or iPad settings so Shopify can access it. This first connection step prevents delays later and ensures the scanner will send keystrokes or HID data to Shopify. Once done with pairing, open Shopify POS or your barcode app and navigate to Devices or Settings to register the scanner. You will map input behavior, set prefix/suffix characters, enable or disable keyboard emulation, and choose Enter/Tab actions after scans. Configure barcode symbologies supported by your scanner to match your product labels. Then test by scanning a few SKUs into product search and quantity fields. If scans don't populate correctly, change the suffix to Enter or switch to HID mode to make Shopify accept the input. To finish, save the device profile in Shopify and assign the scanner to the correct checkout station or staff account so permissions align. You should run a full sale, scan items, change quantities, apply discounts, and complete a transaction to confirm workflow. If something goes wrong, first reboot the scanner and host device, then repair. Next, verify the scanner supports the barcode symbology you use and check app or POS permissions. If problems persist, try USB keyboard mode or update firmware to resolve protocol issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.